Hey guys, welcome back for another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this creamy, cheesy, and delicious mashed potato, spinach, and mushroom gratin. If you'd like to learn how to make it, please keep on watching. Let's get started. So this recipe is going to be 3 parts. The first is going to be the potatoes, second is the sauce, and then lastly the spinach. We all know how to boil and mash potatoes, so I'm not going to be showing that part. But for the spinach and mushroom, I'm gonna put some olive oil onto a hot pan and then put in a chopped onion and let it dance in the oil for a little bit. And then I'm gonna add some minced garlic and then put in some sliced mushroom. Mix it up. And then let it sit for a little bit. In the meantime, I'm gonna make the white sauce. I'm gonna start with some olive oil and put in some flour, equal parts, olive oil and flour, and just mix it up a little bit. And then we're gonna add some heavy cream onto that, about 2 cups, and then some salt and black pepper to taste. And then some nutmeg. We're just gonna grate it on there. This is the secret ingredient. Do not miss this. I love the nutmeg flavor on any white sauce, so I like to put a little extra. Highly recommend it. And mix that. And then as that cooks, your mushrooms should have wilted a little bit. I'm gonna add in the spinach. And then again, let it sit. In the meantime, I have the potatoes diced up and boiling. It looks like they're done, so I'm just gonna mash them up. I'm gonna add some salt, black pepper, and heavy cream. I actually forgot to add the salt, so don't do that. And then just mix, mix, mix. Okay, by this time your spinach should have wilted and you want to add some salt and pepper. And then add on your cream right on top and mix it up. Then you want to add some shredded cheese. I have mozzarella, but you can use any kind you want, and this will help the sauce to thicken up. And just leave it on a low fire as it continues to thicken. In the meantime, I'm going to take my mashed potatoes and pat it down on an oven-safe dish. And once the sauce is ready, I'm just gonna pour it right on top of the mashed potatoes and then into the oven, 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. And this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed my video.